Good morning. Welcome to lesson 1, unit 2, and the last unit. Unit 2 is the universe. The universe. Okay? The universe means the space around us, the space that the earth, the planet which we live on, like swimming in the space or moving in the space. Okay? So the space when the ships and rocks go out to the space, you see many things around you. For example, at night you see stars, and we live on a planet which is the Earth. So the planet is like the Earth. So we have here the universe, a picture of stars and Earth and some bodies. Okay, we will know the names of these bodies. Okay, now what is the name of the lesson? Stars and planets. Stars, you know stars, and planets. Okay, first we have the stars. We have a picture is going to show what is this? Yes, stars, stars, and what? Can you tell me something you know here in the picture? Yes, I have the sun and Jupiter. Remember the names. Sun, sure you know the sun, and Jupiter. Okay. Can you tell me what you see in the picture? Can you tell me any properties of the stars from the pictures? Okay, yes, they are like the light bulb, like the lamp. So they are shiny. Give me light. Give me light, or give us, or give all the planets light. Okay, when you see at the sky at night, you see it shiny. So first we have stars are shiny. Okay, the picture here, number 3, we have many stars in that picture except Jupiter. Jupiter is a planet, okay? So we have here many stars, okay? Are all the stars have the same size? Have the same size? No. So the stars have many sizes, has different sizes, okay? What sizes? I see small star and I see big stars. Okay, small and big only? No, I have medium between big and small. Between big and small is called medium. So the sizes of stars are different. Small, medium, and big. Okay? Okay. Can you tell me definition? Okay, try to make a definition for the stars. First, they are glowing or shining bodies. Glowing or shining bodies. Okay, so they are shining or glowing bodies have different sizes. No, with different sizes that lie in the space, that are found in the space. Lie means found or located. Where when I ask you where are the stars, you will answer they lie in the space. They are found in the space. They are located in the space. Okay, so read the definition again. They are shining or glowing bodies with different sizes that lie in the space. Okay, any body, any celestial bodies has some properties. Okay, can you remember the properties of the stars? We said it from the picture. First, they are bright or shining bodies. Okay, they are rotating like circle, rotates, make a circle, like making a circle. So try to make a circle with your hand or with your pencil. Okay, this is called rotation or rotates. So where the stars rotates, they are rotating in the space. So they are bright, like the lamp. When you turn on the lamp in the class or in your home, it will be bright, it will be shining. So they are bright, and you know what is meant by shiny, from metals and non-metals. Okay, so stars are shiny or bright bodies that rotate in the space. Only this? No, they have different sizes. They have different sizes: small, medium, and big. Small, medium, and big. Okay, last one. Try to think with me. When you look at the stars at night, you see it shiny. Okay, that mean what? That mean it give or produce or emit light. Only light, emit light. Only light, no. For example, what star do? Give me an example of the stars. We have, yes, excellent, the sun. The sun is a star. The sun is a star. So every morning the sun give you what? Emit to you what? Radiate to the planet what? Yes, light and what? Heat. Okay, when you stand in the sun for a long time, you will feel hot or cold. Hot. So the stars or the sun emits heat and light. Emit or radiate or produce or give. They have the same meaning. They are nearly have the same meaning. Okay, so when you gonna talk about the stars or the sun, you must say emit or radiate. So they are radiating or emitting heat and light. Okay, now point number 3, it has a question, give reason. When I ask you, the stars are shining bodies. The stars are shining bodies. How could I know they are shining bodies? Because they emit or radiate heat and light. Okay? Look at the picture. What do you see? I see sun, I see a plane, and mountains, I think, trees. Okay. Focus with the plane and sun. Plane and sun. Focus with them. Okay, which is bigger in size? What do you think? In the picture here, in the picture, not in real time life. Which one is bigger, sun or a plane? I see the plane bigger than the sun. Okay. In real life, which is bigger, sun or plane? Sun. But mister, I see the sun very small. I see it small. Why? Because it is far away from me. Okay. Another example. The plane on the ground. When you see the plane on the ground, you see it big or small as you see it in the sky. I see it very big, huge, large, very large. But in the sky, you see it, why? What? Small. Why I see it small? Because it has been away from me. It gone away. It has gone away from me. So, what do you think about the stars? All the stars in the sky, in the space. You see it like dot, point. That means it's a point, only point, a very small point. No, they are very huge, very big stars in size. But we see it small because they are very far away from us. Okay, to prove that, we said the sun is a medium-sized star. Sun is a medium-sized star. We have stars bigger than the sun and smaller than the sun. Some stars you can't see it in the sky because they are very small or smaller than the sun, so you can't even see it. But the biggest stars, you can see it clearly, but as a dot or a point, because they are very far away from us. Okay, so we have a question here. The stars are very huge in size, but we see it small. Or the plane, it's a huge. If you stand beside the plane, I can see you beside the plane because the plane is very huge. Okay, why we see the huge sizes very small when they are far away? Because they are very far away from me or from us. Us mean the planet Earth. The solar system. The solar system. Solar mean coming from the sun. The word solar means the sun. Okay, so the sun has a system. Sun, our sun, okay, not any sun. Our star called the sun. We have how many? What do you think? How many stars do we have in our planet? We see it in from our planet. We only see one star in our solar system, and it is the sun. Okay, okay. So the sun has a system. System is called the solar system. Okay. Here is a picture of the sun and planets around it. So that is called the solar system. Again, so the same picture. Can you tell me some properties of sun here from the pictures? Okay, where is the sun in the first picture, the left one? Where is the sun? At the end, at where? At the end of the solar system, at the top, at the bottom, or in the middle? Yes, it is in the middle or in the center of the solar system. In the middle of the solar system, and the planets moving or rotates around it. Okay, so and the another picture we have the size of the sun. Where is the sun? That says the sun. Okay, what is the size of the sun? What do you think? Small, big, or medium? Yes, it is medium sized star. It is medium sized star. Not big, not small, medium. Okay, let's see the properties of the sun. Where in the center or in the middle of the solar system. Star. Sun is a star, right? Why? Give a reason. Sun is a star. Why? Because it's self-shining body. What is meant by self-shining body? It emits heat and light like any star. 3. It is the biggest body in the solar system. We will see the size of the sun and the sizes of the planets. By comparing, we have found the sun is the biggest body in the solar system. Remember, biggest body in the solar system. So remember this, the sun is the biggest body in the solar system. 4, we have said. What about the size? It is medium sized star. Medium sized star. But mister, I see the sun is the biggest star to me from the other stars. Why? Okay, imagine that you have something away from you about 1 meter and another thing away from you about 100 meters. Okay, and the body that is away from you 100 meter is bigger than the body that is away from you from 1 meter. Okay, what do you think it will be big? Your eyes, you will see what bigger than what? You will see the closest one bigger than the farthest one. The very far away from me, it will be small because it's very far away. But the nearest one to me, I see it big. If I put them together beside each other, I will see the body that away from me 100 meters, it will be bigger than the body which is away from me 1 meter. So sun, I see big or biggest body from the other stars because it is the nearest star to us. I told you, the nearest star to us, to planets, to the earth is the sun. So sun is the biggest star in our solar system. Why? Because it is the nearest star to us. Okay, what do you think about the solar system? It only has sun in our solar system that we live in, only have sun. The solar system, that question might be incomplete or choose. The solar system also have what besides the sun? Don't forget the sun. eight eight planets, eight planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Okay, eight planets we will talk about in the next session, and I know you know it from primary 3. Eight planets, you can tell me the names. Excellent. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, moons, all of us know the moons, like our moon in the sky at night. Okay, but what about the other celestial bodies? Okay, the meaning of celestial bodies, that the bodies that moving in the space. Sun is a celestial body, planets are celestial bodies, moons are celestial bodies. Okay, but we have other celestial bodies. We will know the names, only we have to know the names, and you know it. I know you know it from English, I think. Okay, first we have the big rock here. You see the big rock. The name of it is written beside it. It's called asteroids. Asteroids. Okay, you see the asteroid here holding by its hand, by its hand a small piece. Yes, a small piece called meteoroids. Meteoroids. So the asteroids is a big rock. It is a very big and huge rock. But the meteoroids, they are small. They are a piece of the asteroids. Asteroids and meteoroids are moving in the space. Are moving in the space. Okay. Okay. The meteoroids, they are moving in the space. Sometimes it might go to the earth. It might hit some planet, hit the earth, hit Mercury, hit Venus. Okay, how could I know it will hit me? Okay, the meteoroids moving in the space, and its way going to the earth, so it will go inside the atmosphere or the air of earth, and by friction, like friction between your hand, like rubbing your hand. When you rub your hand, you will feel what? Hot. Okay, if you moved your hand quickly, it might be burned. So the meteoroids, when it go inside the earth and rubbing with the air, it will be burned like you see in the picture, and it is called meteors. Meteors. Okay, so the meteoroids, when they are going to burn, it called meteors. Okay, and they will be boom hit by the earth. It will hit the earth. Okay, so we have here the meteoroids hit the earth and burn it to be meteors. Okay, and the last body is called comets. Comets, and comets is a gas that is like freezed gas. Okay, comets is about freezed gas, and it might go inside the atmosphere or air of earth. Comets and meteors, the both of them, it might go inside the earth and will be burning. Okay, so you see sometimes at the sky like shooting star, something lightning moving in the sky for a second, less than second. Okay, so remember the names of celestial bodies: asteroids, meteoroids, meteors, and comets. Okay, that is lesson 1, session 1. Wait for me in session 2. Thank you. Welcome to lesson 1, session 2. We have talked about the sun from the solar system, and we said that the solar system has planets and moons and other celestial bodies. This session we gonna talk about the planets and moons. Okay, let's see. And I know you know the arrangement of planets according to their distance. Okay, they are arranged away from the sun in different ways. Okay, the planets are shiny bodies or dark. What is meant by dark? Dark, 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 like the disk. The disk, yes, dark body, like the door. Okay, that dark body give you, if you hold it and put it on your face, you will feel heat or light coming out from it. No, who only do this? The stars or the shining bodies. Only the shining bodies can give heat and light, but the planets and moons and celestial bodies, they don't emit heat and light, so they are called dark bodies. So what are the dark bodies in the solar system? Planets, moons, and other celestial body. What are the shiny body in our solar system? The sun. Only the sun. You can tell me, mister, the moon is a shiny body. Wait for me. Don't be hurry. Okay, so what is this? Yes, the sun. The sun. Okay, let's see the names of the planets. Oh yeah, the Mercury. Yes, Mercury. Mercury planet. Mercury. Venus. Venus. Mercury, Venus. And the planet we live on, Earth. Earth. And last, Mars. Mars. Only 4 planets? No, mister, we have 8. And the biggest planet, what we have said about the sun, the biggest what? Excellent, the biggest body. Okay, Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter. Okay, and Saturn. Yeah, Saturn. Number 7, Uranus. Okay, and last one, Neptune. Okay, let's see the properties of each planet. Only one properties for each planet. Okay, Mercury is the smallest and nearest planet to the sun. What is the first planet after the sun? Mercury. What is the smallest planet in the 8 planets? Mercury. Venus, can you see it? Very beautiful, very attractive. So it is the most beautiful planet. From the 8 planets, it is the most beautiful planet. Okay, and Earth. What do you know about Earth? We live on the Earth. We live on the Earth. Okay, look at the Earth very well. You will see what more? Water or rocks? Water. Okay, so sometimes we say about the Earth, it is watery planet. Watery planet. Why watery planet? Because it has much amounts of water. Okay, Mars. What is the color of Mars? You see it. Excellent, red. So it is the red planet. Why it's red? Because the rocks of Mars has iron. Okay, so give reason. The Mars is a red planet because it has rocks with iron, or because it rocks has iron. Okay, and Jupiter is the biggest planet. Don't forget the difference between Jupiter and the sun in size. The Jupiter is the biggest planet, Sun is the biggest star. Saturn, what do you see around Saturn? We see rings, like circles. Okay, and they are colored. So Saturn has colored rings. colored rings. Okay, and Uranus, what do you think about Uranus? It's cold or hot? It's very far away from the sun, so it will be cold or hot. It is a cold planet. So what is the cold planet definition or scientific term? The cold planet is Uranus. And Neptune, what is the color of Neptune? Blue. So it is a blue planet. Blue planet. So we have two colors of the planets. Mars red, Neptune is blue. Okay. We have talked about the arrangement of them from their distance. Now we're gonna talk about the arrangement of them, but according to their size. Which is the biggest planet? What do you think? Jupiter. The biggest planet is Jupiter. Can you tell me what after Jupiter? Guess, try to think. Saturn. Saturn is the biggest one, second biggest one. Third one is Uranus and Neptune. I will write no names because you know the names. Okay, so Neptune and Earth, our planet Earth, is the fifth one in size, but third one in distance. Okay, after Earth we have Venus. What is this? Mars, excellent. And the last one, the smallest brother is. So we can tell or say a definition for the planets. They are dark bodies that revolve around the sun in a fixed orbits. Look at the white circles with the planet. That is called orbits. So the planets revolve or move or make like a turn around the sun. In a way, something like the way is called orbits. Okay, as I told you, the sun is the biggest body in the solar system. But what about Jupiter? Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. So we have in the solar system two biggest bodies, which are Sun and Jupiter. But Sun is a star shining body, but Jupiter is a planet which is a dark body. Okay, thank you. Okay, moons. Look at the sky at night, you will see the moon with the stars. Okay, those are the planets. Here we have planets. Mercury has no moons. Venus has no moons. Earth has one moon. Mars has no moons. Jupiter has many moons. Might be 72. Saturn have many moons. Okay, so what is the moon? Is a dark body or a shiny body? Let's see. Moon, it's a dark body. Moon what? Dark body. As I said, dark body. Okay, they are revolving around what? Around what? What do you think about the moon? They are revolving around what? Around the sun or and around the planet? Around the planet. The planets revolving around the sun. Okay, the planets revolving around the sun. Okay, so when you walk after someone, that means you are following it. So the moon or the moons, they are the followers of the planets. Why they are the followers of the planets? Give reason. Because they are revolving around some planets, not all the planets, like our moon. So when I ask you, the moon is the follower of the earth. Why? Because it revolves around the earth. Okay, it reflects the sunlight falling on it, so it seems shiny, but not a star. Not a star. Okay, that doesn't mean when the moon reflects the sunlight, it's a star. It only reflects like the mirror. It only reflects. So moon is a dark body, not a star. Let's see what we have in the picture. We have on the left, we have sun, moon, and earth. Sun, moon, and earth. Look. Here, the sunlight will fall on Falling means when you hold your hand, you hold the pen in your hand and lift it in the air. It will go down or it will fall down. So the sunlight fall on what? On moon. And the moon will do like the mirror. It will reflect the sunlight. Reflect the sunlight to where? To who? To us, to you, to the planet, to the earth. So any moon reflect the sunlight to the planet which is revolving around. Okay, so sun in the solar system in the middle, the planets revolving or moving around it in a way called orbits. In a way called orbits. So the planets, the moons are revolving around the sun, and the planets revolving around the planets in a way or a path called orbits. So the difference between the bodies, dark bodies and shiny bodies. Shiny body like the sun, dark bodies like moons, planets and other celestial bodies. This lesson is very easy, very good to be understand. Thank you for listening. We have finished lesson 1, unit 2. Only one lesson we have remains and it will be finished quickly. Thank you for listening. As every session, every lesson, try to answer classwork, homework, and the model exam. I wish you to be good all the time. Thank you for listening and paying attention with me. Goodbye.